बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूजिंग टू, अब क्या करें। What to do now, what to do now। इसे कहाँ रखूं, where to put it, where to put it। कितने पैसे दूं, how much to pay, how much to pay। दोबारा कब आना है, when to come again, when to come again। कहाँ जाएं, where to go, where to go। वो तुम्हारी क्या लगती है, who is she to you, who is she to you। तुम ऐसा कहने वाले कौन होते हो, who are you to say so, who are you to say so। मेरे पास करने को कुछ नहीं, I've nothing to do, I've nothing to do। ये घर किराए के लिए है, this house is to let, this house is to let। दूध पीना अच्छा होता है, it is good to drink milk, milk is good to drink। उसका लहजा समझना काफी आसान है, his accent is easy to understand, his accent is easy to understand। चाबी नहीं है कि दरवाज़ा खोलूं, I don't have key to open, I don't have key to open। मैं यहाँ आकर बहुत खुश हूँ, I'm pleased to be here, I am pleased to be here। आपसे मिलकर बड़ी खुशी हुई, It's nice to meet you, It's nice to meet you। इंग्लिश सीखना बहुत आसान है, It is easy to learn English, to learn English it is very easy। That's all for now. Thanks for being with the English Production.